Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video of scientific rankings. This is a relatively simple one, and I want to basically walk you through how to create a Google My Business account or how to submit your business to Google My Business. So the easiest way of doing this, or the only way of doing this, is that you want to head over to google.com/business, or if you're like me, just go into Google and search Google My Business. You can see it's written right here, and you get to this page and then click start now. So this is extremely simple, and I'm sure you guys are intelligent enough to really figure this out for yourselves, but let me just show you roughly how this works and make some more step-by-step simple training for anyone that just has no idea. But honestly, that was probably enough already. Just search Google My Business, come to here, and this is how you get your business, your local business, your ranking rent site, whatever it is, listed on Google. So basically, you go into Google My Business, you submit your business here, and remember to use the name and the address here and the phone number in a way that you don't mind using again later, because this is what you're going to be using for your citations. So whatever you list here has to be listed on every single directory and every single reference that you have of your name, address, phone number as the exact same as it is here. So let me show you how this works. Let me open up something here, because I can't remember what address I used on the website. So let's see, srclinic.co.uk, and I think I put the address somewhere on this website, hopefully. Go to view sources, probably in, here we go, I got the address. Okay, so I'm going to type in SR Clinic here. I don't want to select any of these, so it took me a few minutes to figure this out. You just click escape and it gets rid of that stupid drop down box, because we don't want to click any of them. There's no escape button or option to select none of these. And for street address, I'm going to copy in from here, because I've already used that as the schema. And the city is Lambeth, or however you say that. The province is, the country's wrong there, that will explain why. Province, okay. Postal town, okay, we could have probably put the city there, but never mind. And if you want to have like studio number or office number or something, you could put it in and like have like 2 lines here. So I put Lambeth there, and for the postcode, I'd rather put London, to be honest, for that. Let's have a look. That's fine. Postcode, this doesn't ask for the city, that's all. And for the main phone number, again, it's the one that I listed somewhere in here. I think you got rid of the 44 in this, if I'm right. So yeah, 0, yeah. And the category, you gotta try and find a category that fits a category that's already on Google. So if you start typing stuff like A, it's going to come up abortion clinic, which is okay, and some other stuff. Let's have a look. So what would you class this as? So maybe plastic surgery, plastic surgeon. Okay, there we go, plastic surgeon, which is probably a good category there. And later on, you can add even more categories there. Now, what you do with the next thing is like, I deliver goods and services to my customers at their location. If you click yes, then it's going to hide your address from Google, so it doesn't show your address there. It just shows the service area that you cover. If you click no, then it's going to show the address. So I click no here and click continue, and then this is all really happens. You click I'm authorized to manage this business and I agree to the terms, and you click continue here. And what's going to happen here is going to ask you now, like, hey, like, verify this. Let us email you. Let me send you a postcode, and then you can verify it. But I don't want to do that, because obviously that's like the MI6 headquarters there, which I put as the address, so I don't actually want to send the verification code there. But that's just roughly how it works, so you guys can see. And then you can access the membership area, like the admin area for that page. You can add an image there, like a logo, a profile picture, add photos, which you can geotag. You can add hours of operation. If you could edit up here, you can edit even more information about all this stuff. So you can add your hours, you can add a link to your website and stuff. Basically, it's just like a Google Plus page, and that's pretty much that. So I don't want to do the tour. Make sure you get it verified, because once you verify it, you can get reviews, you can get insights, and you can actually start ranking in the Google My Business listings, in the Google Maps listings, because if you don't get verified, then you can't start ranking there. So that's pretty much all there is to it. Get that verified and you're good to go. Then you can build the citations and everything like that. Make sure that you use the exact same address every single time you do this. So use the exact same address. Now, I think I should have put London instead, but hopefully Google is smart enough to know that Lambeth's in London. But I'd suggest actually put in London instead, because it's kind of weird. If you want to rank for London, then put London in the address. But anyway, guys, that's really all there is to it. That's how you create a that's how you create a Google My Business account. That's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next videos where we're actually going to break down how you actually build the citations and all that sort of stuff, which is way more important. This is really simple. The most important thing is that you get the category correct and you put the name, address, and phone number in a format that you're gonna be happy to use later for building up your citations and everything like that. But the category is huge. You can add more categories later. I believe if you go edit here and you can find a category somewhere and you go to edit here, and then you can usually add more categories here. So if you want to find something different like cosmetic surgeon or dentist, you want to do that, or maybe I don't know if you do rhinoplasty, or that's too specific. What about nose job? I don't know, typing in random things here. Tummy, I don't know, surgeon. Let's have a look. Any other surgeon stuff comes up, I don't know, but basically you can search these extra little things and just try and find some different categories that come up that seem to suit it. But make sure the primary one is the one that most best fits. So that's really all there is to it. Get the address and everything in the format that you're going to be happy to use over and over again. And then for the category, make sure it's accurate, because you can't rank for stuff if you have the wrong category. If I put in plumber here, then I'm not going to be able to rank for plastic surgeon keywords in the map pack rankings. I'm sure that's very obvious, but you can get the wrong category sometimes, which can screw up the rankings, but then you can go in there and change it just like this. So make sure you get the accurate category there. Make sure you use an address and everything that you happy to use, the phone number and everything that you're happy to use for all the citations. And that's all there is to it. Create that listing, get it verified, and you're good to go. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.